This literature kit on Mrs. Frisby and the Rats of NIMH by Robert C. O'Brien includes activities that are clearly aligned with the text and designed to deepen understanding of characters, themes, symbols, and plot development. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Predict how Jeremy might help Mrs. Frisby. Identify the traits of key animals from the story with examples from the text. Detail the rat's solution to saving Mrs. Frisby's house. Describe an instance when you helped someone in need. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as becoming a rat of NIMH by creating your own Rube Goldberg machine. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a story map with characters, setting, conflict, and solution. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.